66 million years ago, Earth was a different world. It was the late Cretaceous period, a lush, vibrant era where nature's most iconic giants reigned supreme. Massive titanosaurs lumbered across vast plains and triceratops roamed in formidable herds. In the shadows and the spotlight, the Tyrannosaurus rex stood as the apex predator of the land. The oceans were ruled by the sleek, terrifying Mosasaurus, while pterosaurs dominated the skies. It was an ecosystem that had thrived for millions of years, seemingly indestructible. But far out in the cold reaches of the asteroid belt, a piece of rock roughly 10 kilometers wide had been nudged onto a collision course with our planet. As it entered the atmosphere, it became a streak of fire moving at 20 kilometers per second. It struck the Yucatan Peninsula with the force of 100 trillion tons of TNT. The impact triggered global wildfires, colossal tsunamis, and a rain of molten rock. But the worst was yet to come. A massive cloud of dust and soot blocked out the sun. For years, Earth was plunged into an impact winter. Temperatures plummeted, and photosynthesis ground to a halt. Without plants, the food chain collapsed. 75% of all species, including all non-avian dinosaurs, perished. The giants that had ruled for 150 million years were gone in what was, geologically speaking, an instant. Yet some survived. Small mammals, birds, and certain reptiles found a way through the darkness. From their resilience, a new world began to emerge. For centuries, this event was a mystery. It wasn't until physicist Luis Alvarez and his son, geologist Walter Alvarez, discovered a layer of iridium-rich clay worldwide that the truth emerged. Today, we monitor the skies with advanced telescopes and space observatories like NEOWISE, ensuring that we are never blindsided by a celestial visitor again. The asteroid impact 66 million years ago was a tragedy for the dinosaurs, but it paved the way for the rise of mammals, and ultimately, us. It is a reminder of our planet's violent history and the fragile, beautiful thread of life that continues to weave through time. 66 million years ago, Earth was a world of giants. Dinosaurs had ruled the planet for over 160 million years, dominating every corner of the globe. From the massive long-necked titanosaurs to the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex, these incredible creatures lived in a lush, vibrant world. But their long reign was about to come to a sudden and violent end. High above the Earth, a massive asteroid nearly 7 miles wide was on a collision course. Traveling at 40,000 miles per hour, it slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula with the force of billions of atomic bombs. The impact was catastrophic. A blinding flash of light was followed by a massive heat wave that ignited global wildfires. In the oceans, colossal tsunamis, hundreds of feet tall, raced across the globe, reshaping coastlines. Dust, ash, and soot filled the atmosphere, blocking out the sun for months or even years. Photosynthesis ground to a halt, plants died, and the food chain collapsed. This was the KPG extinction event. Nearly 75% of all species on Earth, including all non-avian dinosaurs, vanished forever. Yet in the darkness, life endured. Small mammals, birds, and some reptiles survived, eventually emerging to inherit a new world. For millions of years, the cause of this extinction remained a mystery. It wasn't until 1980 that Luis and Walter Alvarez proposed the asteroid impact theory, discovering a thin layer of iridium-rich clay around the world. The discovery of the massive Chicxulub crater under the Gulf of Mexico provided the final proof. Today, scientists continue to study this event, using advanced telescopes and observatories to monitor our skies for potential future threats. The asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs changed the course of life on Earth forever. It serves as a stark reminder of our planet's vulnerability and the incredible resilience of life. Imagine waking up to what seems like an ordinary morning. The sun rises, bird-like creatures call through ancient forests. Towering dinosaurs roam the land. Nothing seems unusual. Then, a bright object appears in the sky. At first, it looks like an unusually brilliant star. Within seconds, it grows brighter than the sun. The ground begins to tremble. A blinding flash lights up the horizon. And in less than a minute, life on Earth changes forever. About 66 million years ago, an asteroid roughly 10 to 15 kilometers wide slammed into our planet with unimaginable force. The explosion released more energy than billions of atomic bombs. It carved out a crater over 180 kilometers wide, triggered global wildfires, sent gigantic tsunamis racing across oceans, darkened the sky for months, and wiped out about 75% of all plant and animal species, including the non-avian dinosaurs. But how did a single space rock change the history of Earth? This is the incredible true story of the asteroid that ended the age of dinosaurs. To understand the disaster, we first need to visit Earth as it existed 66 million years ago. The world looked very different. There were no humans, no cities, no roads. Instead, lush forests stretched across vast continents. Flowing plants covered the landscape. The climate was warmer than today. Sea levels were higher. Dinosaurs ruled nearly every environment. Massive Tyrannosaurus rex hunted enormous prey across North America. Herds of Triceratops grazed on ancient vegetation. Long-necked titanosaurs wandered other continents. The skies were filled with flying reptiles called pterosaurs. The oceans were home to giant marine reptiles like the fearsome mosasaurus. Life on Earth had flourished for over 160 million years. It seemed unstoppable, but far beyond Earth's atmosphere. A silent traveler was already on its way. Somewhere in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, a collision likely changed everything. Scientists believe a large asteroid broke apart after crashing into another object millions of years earlier. One fragment was sent onto a new path. For millions of years, it drifted silently through space. There was no sound, no warning, only gravity slowly pulling it toward the inner solar system. Eventually, its orbit crossed Earth's path. By the time our planet appeared in front of it, there was no escape. The asteroid was traveling at nearly 20 kilometers per second. That's about 72,000 kilometers per hour, faster than a rifle bullet. At that speed, nothing on Earth could stop it. As the asteroid approached Earth, gravity accelerated it even more. Within moments, it entered the atmosphere. The surrounding air compressed so violently that temperatures reached thousands of degrees. The object became a blazing fireball. It streaked across the sky brighter than the sun. Anyone looking up would have witnessed one of the most terrifying sights in Earth's history. Unlike many smaller meteors that burn up before reaching the ground, this asteroid was simply too massive. It barely slowed down. In less than a minute, it reached what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in present-day Mexico. Then, everything changed. The collision lasted only a fraction of a second, yet its effects would last forever. The asteroid slammed into Earth with energy estimated at more than 100 trillion tons of TNT. The impact instantly vaporized the asteroid itself. Huge amounts of rock beneath the surface also vaporized. A crater over 180 kilometers wide formed almost immediately. Millions of tons of molten rock were blasted into the atmosphere. The ground near the impact behaved almost like liquid. Shockwaves traveled through Earth's crust faster than the speed of sound. Earthquakes far stronger than any recorded in modern history rippled across the planet. For hundreds of kilometers around the impact site, almost nothing survived. The destruction didn't stop at the crater. Molten rock thrown into the atmosphere began falling back toward Earth. We'll uncover all of that in part 2 of this FactPaced documentary. The first few hours after the impact were catastrophic, but the greatest danger wasn't the explosion, it was what happened next. The asteroid had blasted billions of tons of dust, ash, soot, and sulfur-rich rock high into the atmosphere. Within days, these tiny particles spread around the globe. They blocked sunlight from reaching Earth's surface. Days slowly turned into a gloomy twilight. Then, darkness. For weeks and possibly months, much of the planet received little direct sunlight. Temperatures dropped, photosynthesis nearly stopped, plants began to die, and when plants disappeared, the entire food chain began to collapse. The largest plant-eating dinosaurs were among the first to suffer. With forests destroyed and vegetation dying, there simply wasn't enough food. As herbivores disappeared, the giant predators that depended on them soon faced starvation. Even the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, one of the most powerful land predators ever to live, could not survive a collapsing ecosystem. The extinction spread across the planet. Flying reptiles vanished. Large marine reptiles disappeared from the oceans. Many species of plants were wiped out. Scientists estimate that around 75% of all species on Earth became extinct. It was one of the greatest mass extinctions in our planet's history. Yet, some life endured. If 3 out of every 4 species disappeared, who survived? The answer might surprise you. Small mammals living in underground burrows had an advantage. Many could shelter from the intense heat and survive on seeds, insects, or anything they could find. Freshwater animals such as turtles and crocodilians also proved remarkably resilient. And a small group of feathered dinosaurs survived as well. Today, we know them by another name, birds. Every sparrow, eagle, penguin, and parrot alive today is descended from the only dinosaurs that survived the extinction event. In a way, dinosaurs never completely disappeared, they still live among us. For more than a century, scientists debated what had caused the dinosaurs to disappear. Then, in 1980, a breakthrough changed everything. A team led by physicist Luis Alvarez and geologist Walter Alvarez discovered an unusual layer of clay found in rocks around the world. This thin layer contained extremely high amounts of iridium, a rare metal on Earth's surface but common in asteroids. It suggested that something enormous had struck the planet. A decade later, scientists identified the missing piece of the puzzle. Buried beneath Mexico's Chicxulub crater was a gigantic impact crater more than 180 kilometers wide. Its age matched the extinction almost perfectly. The mystery that had puzzled scientists for generations was finally solved. Naturally, one question follows. Could another asteroid like this strike Earth? The answer is yes. But the good news is that events on this scale are extremely rare. Impacts capable of causing global extinction are thought to occur roughly once every 100 million years. Today, scientists monitor the skies using powerful telescopes and space-based observatories. Thousands of near-Earth asteroids have already been identified and tracked. Space agencies around the world are also developing ways to deflect dangerous asteroids. In 2022, NASA successfully demonstrated this concept through the double asteroid redirection test, intentionally changing the orbit of a small asteroid. It was humanity's first successful planetary defense experiment. The asteroid ended the age of dinosaurs, but it also created an opportunity. With giant dinosaurs gone, small mammals expanded into habitats that had once been dominated by enormous reptiles. Over millions of years, those mammals evolved into countless new species. Eventually, one branch evolved into early humans. Without the asteroid, the world we know today might never have existed. Our own existence may be linked to one extraordinary event that happened millions of years before the first human was born. Sometimes, history changes because of a single moment. 66 million years ago, a single asteroid transformed Earth forever. It reshaped continents, changed the climate, ended the reign of the dinosaurs, and opened the door for the rise of mammals and eventually us. Today, the Chicxulub crater lies hidden beneath layers of rock and the waters of the Gulf of Mexico, but its impact still echoes through every ecosystem on Earth. It reminds us that our planet is part of a much larger cosmic story, a story where even a single object from deep space can change the course of life forever. Like, comment and subscribe to FactPaced for daily fascinating facts and weekly long-form videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Question of the day. If you could travel back in time and safely witness one event in Earth's history, what would it be? The asteroid impact, the age of dinosaurs, or another incredible moment? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next fact-paced documentary.